Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. My college studied almost 3 months of discussion in Reddit forums about cryptocurrencies to try to understand how people talk about crypto and Bitcoin. The loudest voice on the forum were a group of crypto enthusiasts who called themselves true Bitcoiners. Unlike technology enthusiasts or crypto markets, true Bitcoins didn't talk about technology or about their own use of crypto. Instead, they talk about trust and corruption. This corruption enthusiasts often cite example of what they see as government corruption and corporate corruption. They recognize that socials depends on government and corruptions, setting and options rules, and they complain that people are stuck with these corrupt institutes. Corruption, they say, is inevitable flaw in humanity and leads to trying to control and mistreat others. The enthusiasts see Bitcoin, blockchain, and other crypto technology as providing an alternative to the corruption. They argue that these new technology are trustly and don't depend in institution. You can buy and sell things using Bitcoin without checking with a bank or using government issued cash. Blockchain, the technology underlying cryptocurrencies, keeps recording of owner and transactions without recording that in any more or any institution. They still believe that government are corrupt and that crypto offer that corruption are common among that crypto enthusiasts we studied, but enthusiasts go on step further. They seek change. They want to change who has power and who doesn't. They argue that crypto as how that change will happen. For crypto enthusiasts, using crypto isn't just a way to buy and sell things by using crypto technologies. They argue security will become less dependent on government and corruption, that is, using crypto and getting as many people as possible to use it as much as possible is a way to change the world and make power away from government. Pushing ideology, this belief about the should and should not have power in social embody and ideology. An important part of crypto ideology is that thing change can happen unless people use crypto. The technology and the ideology are tied together. For many, the test enthusiasts, recommending crypto to other people is not just a technology recommended to them, but buying and selling crypto is a form of political and social activities. They argue that buying crypto will remove corruption and change record to trust technology over government. This ideology is a more extreme version of technology libertarianism, which seek to replace government with technology like technology libertarians. Through the Bitcoins want technology to control social, but they focus on penalize and economic control more than civil liberties. And because promotion crypto is part of this ideology, crypto has often been incorporated with a religion. Crypto, then, an important aspect of any ideology is the way it emphasizes some danger and downplay other. They through Bitcoins emphasize the problem with government corruption, but they downplay the finalist risk of crypto. The price of Bitcoin fluctuates wildly, and many people have lost money buying crypto. Crypto walls are difficult to understand and use, and fraudulent. transactions are difficult to reverse. Crypto enthusiasts frequently downplay the technology risk to people and Russia that also dismiss the valuable role that government and corporation play in protecting people, money, drifting in scarcer for bank account and return money that's been stolen. Okay, I think that's from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.